Sorry, listen, I spotted a logo just, and it didn't look familiar. Can you please tell me what it is?
Well, nobody knows what it is. It's Patrick's, and he's French, you know. This is Patrick's bass. It's now done, and he said it's base coat on.
Should we move over more into the light?
Isn't it light everywhere?
Well, not when you were standing in the doorway.
All right. Well, the doorway's full of light.
The shadows.
Yeah. So there we are. It's finished. Now it's got to have its lacquer on.
Okay, so he texted me yesterday and said something about I'll be coming to get it on Monday, next Monday.
Yeah, not this Monday coming, the Monday after.
2 weeks.
Yeah, fortnight.
You're having a laugh, aren't you? I think he's coming next Monday.
No, he's not.
You sure about that?
Well, if he comes next Monday, I'll tell him to fuck off.
Because I did say...
Won't be ready.
No, I did say that whatever date you've given, prepare to, like, be flexible on, you know, what actually gets done. No offence. Okay, so hang on, let me stop you there before you talk.
Okay.
He's going to put the electrics in himself, isn't he? Because he's an electrician, isn't he?
I'm doing it.
Oh, I thought he was going to put the electrics in.
Yeah.
Alright, well, he said he was going to do it to me when I saw him here.
That'd be nice. I could just throw it at him and let him do it all.
Maybe he's going to put the pickups in and he's going to put like a preamp kind of thing in it or not. Or is it
Well,
passive?
not much space if he is.
Yeah, you're right there. Man, they make them small these days, don't they?
Yeah.
So let's, where are you at then, Doug?
It's base coated. Right?
Mm.
And I've just got to flat it down a bit, which I'm going to do today, and start spraying the top coats of lacquer.
Strings from behind, eh?
Yeah.
From behind?
Yes,
How odd.
Strings from up its bum. Right?
Yeah, it's quite a nice colour, isn't it?
Lovely. Ash always does come up a nice colour though, doesn't it?
And here we are.
And there's the LSO, which he's spaced it wrong, because with that gap there, he should have done the same there, I think. Yeah. And I don't know what it means. It's something, I don't know. It's something he knows.
Fonts, the space between fonts sometimes doesn't make sense, but
no,
it's a work of art, fontage, isn't it?
Oh, yes, it is.
I don't like how that transfer's gone over there.
No.
Maybe it could have cut it out a bit more.
Do you want to just shut up?
Have you done it?
Yeah. That's
That's
where he told me to put it.
That's a shame, isn't it?
Yeah. You won't see all that.
Well, next time you do it,
You won't see all that. That's part of the design. There is all them lines like that.
I'll pop up. Yeah, you might be right, but you can't see it because it went over the purple.
You will be able to when it's lacquered.
Yeah, but I'll be able to see those lines that are on the lighter wood. But
You will see them. They're only there anyway.
Yeah, look, I'm just observing as an impartial passerby.
Well, yeah.
No point
You'll
getting
see. You
aggressive.
can still see them lines.
Yeah, if you get like a, if you get out to Cambridge and use like an
Well,
electron
the people will be
microscope.
looking at them from off the stage,
Yeah, exactly.
won't they?
Yeah. And any more than a foot away, you can't even see the logo. Probably.
No.
Yeah. Anyway, it looks very nice. What size frets has he had?
2.7.
They look like they really. I thought they were coppery.
No, they're the normal ones. 2.7.
Has he seen the colour of the wood? It's like it.
Yeah.
Has he been up?
Yes, non-stop. The bane of my life he is at the
I've only
moment.
seen him seen him here twice.
He's a smashing chap.
Oh, yes,
isn't he?
yeah.
Yeah, he's a lovely chap. Yeah. I don't know what that
He's
is.
into bikes, isn't he, quite heavily?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, if you look on his Facebook page, he's like putting together like old like cafe races and stuff like that.
All right.
Yeah.
No, he is a nice, really nice chap.
Yeah.
Patrick is.
That's why we're doing videos about his face. 'Cause
Yeah.
we don't do videos for horrid people.
No. No, so that's just, it's only going to have a light sand in now.
Are you
just etching it.
So is it lacquer each now, is it?
Lacquer stuff to them, yeah. I've cleaned the spray gun out, ready for the job. And
what about, what kind of little door have you done for the cavity? Bit of wood or plastic?
that old,
Finest plastic.
it'll quite be varnished black plastic.
Black.
Black.
So how many coats of lacquer do you think you'll be putting on this? Loads?
Loads.
Well, it won't be dry for 2 weeks then, probably.
It will. I'm using a 2-pack melamine.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2
We'll
weeks.
be ready in 2 weeks.
If I said to you, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, do you know what film that's from?
I've no idea.
Total Recall.
Is it?
Yeah, remember Schwarzenegger?
Yeah, I remember the
Well,
film.
that large lady's going through the scanner.
Oh yeah.
And then she starts going,
Red
how long are you visiting for? 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 2 weeks. Then she goes all, yeah, she explodes, doesn't she?
Yeah, it explodes, yeah.
Right then, I think we've exhausted the possibility on this.
This one, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just etching it.
Hey,
Got your camera.
You damaged it.
Hey?
Oh, you haven't. I
I
thought you'd. I think you have. Look.
No, I haven't.
Right. Yeah, I told him I'd pop up when he comes up for the grand reveal. Yeah.
Okay.
And do a final video. I did one last night. I've got another one when you were drilling some holes in it for the wiring from the bridge or something like that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, from the bridge.
The wiring.
Yeah. So
That
we'll
was
have.
just an instruction video for people.
It's just a 5 minute.
Yeah, it's done.
So we've got this one, and then we'll have the final one with Patrick
Yeah.
taking it away, handing over the money. We'll film that for the tax man. Hello.
Giving me the pittance.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, Oscar, that's £190, please, sir. Ah, monsieur, bargain. Thank you. Here's a tip, 200. I feel like I'm here by myself.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you're just filming me just standing the bastard.
Yeah, well,
I've got to give it an edge coat.
Well, let's end it.
Ready for the... Well, piss off then. I'm ready for you to swine off now.
Yeah, but don't forget, you weren't going to do any of this if I hadn't said, let's do that bass.
What do you mean I wasn't going to do? This is today's the day for this.
Well, you were working on this when I came.
No, I'm going to flat that down and spray it again. I'm not happy with it.
Looks alright to me.
Right.
What's not right about it?
It's lumpy there.
Can't you sand the lumps out?
No, it'll go through. It's only nitro, so it's very thin.
Can't you knock him some money off and let them over like that?
No.
He won't even be bothered, will he?
It'll be right. No, he won't be bothered, but I will.
Is this a Gibson?
No.
It's an Epiphone?
No.
Ibanez?
No. None of them.
Oh.
Just another name. It'll be made in one of them factories there.
Yeah, it must be quite a good guitar. He wouldn't play any little shite, would he?
No. It's a good guitar. It's fine.
Yeah, he is, yeah. Steve, yeah. Very good.
Yeah, it's fine. Right, we're ready for liftoff now.
Well, you couldn't say that if you were Richard Branson at the moment, could you? Ready for liftoff?
Oh no, well, he bollocks that job up, didn't he?
Well, it should have been. That thing should have been flying about 15 years ago.
Yeah.
Surprised the UK government aren't stepping in and giving him $1 billion.
Well, they normally do.
Help him out.
That's probably what he's banking on.
Here's an idea. Maybe he could use some of his own money.
Yeah.
I remember my ex-bosses once, one of them who doesn't live too far from here, a guy came in who we know. He's always bragging about how he ended up with his parents' house.
Yeah.
And he came in with this idea, he said, I've got this great idea. They listened to him and said, yeah, great, yeah, could be a goer. How much are you putting in? And he went, well, nothing. I've brought you the idea, you know.
Yeah.
He said, well, your house is worth about $1 million. And he said, well, remortgage it a bit. Take a couple $100,000 out, you know. And he went, I'm not doing that. So strangely enough, the deal fell through.
Yeah. Well, they do. You have to be prepared
to put your own money
to
in.
put up
Some money. It's like me saying, yeah. At least 50-50.
A lot of people who are starting in business will mortgage the house to the hilt to start the business.
They'll put themselves in the point of literally
bankruptcy.
Suicide. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well then.
And that's you've got to be that committed to start a business.
Yeah.
You really have.
I agree.
I don't think that should be left there because I use that one of me.
That's mine.
I know, but it's my leaning post to get past all these guitars.
So you're not concerned about my phone at all?
No, I'll just put it down carefully. Shut your face.
Oh, you're hanging it up in there, are you? Yeah.
Well, I don't know really. I haven't got it. I don't know whether I've got the thing out. Oh, I have.
Oh, Legal John's Telecaster.
Sorry?
Legal John's Telecaster.
Legal John.
Is it having that like sparkly red as well?
Pardon?
Is he having that sparkly red like his Strat?
That one, that's going to be black.
Oh right.
Sparkly black.
Sparkly black, okay.
Yeah.
He hasn't had his Strat yet, has he?
No.
You said that with a bit of a strange tone. Has something gone wrong?
I'm sorry.
You said that with a bit of a strange tone. Has something gone wrong with that project?
Like which project?
I mentioned the Strat. You didn't say anything about it. You kind of went, oh, no.
Oh, I'll show you that. I've
Yeah.
finished it.
Oh, finished it.
I believe
Somebody did say they wanted to see it finished.
Oh, I've got me wood outs ready for the Les Paul 59.
Oh, great. I'll be going home in a hurry then with
There
that.
you go.
Les Paul 59.
Les Paul 59s, yeah, that's the top.
I mean Les Paul 59. It's the first I've heard of it. What's going on?
I'm building two.
Tell me anything, dear.
I'm building two.
Who are these for then? Well, I'll tell you what, let's end Patrick's bass.
We're done at Patrick's base. It's going to be sprayed now. I haven't mixed the paint yet.
Just show
Well,
us.
I'll show you this. What's that? Oh, I've got a Gretsch bass in to fix. I've seen one of them for years. That's the left-handed, the Devil's Spawn.
Yeah, nice.
That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Devil's Spawn.
Yeah. Left-handed, isn't it? I haven't put any polish on it. I haven't polished off any of the crap yet.
Yeah.
I've just knocked it up, you know.
Something about it being left-handed, my brain just can't handle it.
Yeah.
It's like just turning around, Doug.
Yeah. So, there it is. And it's right-handed version. It's nice, low action.
Yeah, too low for me.
Yes. So there you go. So I've done that. It's finished now. Just needs a bit of monkey spunk on it. Just to wipe
I'll
it
just
down.
put it back then. Put it back on its stand.
Yeah, I'm going to.
When's he coming for that?
I don't know. Sometime this week. Well, I can do that when he turns up because it'll be covered in dust by the time he does.
Yeah, there's that, yeah. He might have gone off on some kind of super trial we haven't seen for months.
You're right, it don't matter.
I thought that was familiar. It's one of my guitars there.
Yes, it is your guitar, but it's staying there for a
Fuck
bit.
you.
Because we were doing
what,
a
if I
film
wanted-
about it soon.
If I wanted that back, I'd just kick those others out of the way and just grab it and walk out.
Would you know?
Right then, okay, so that's it. That's that for that, yeah?
Right, yeah.
So that's Patrick part 6 or 7.
Yeah.
Right then, adios.
Oh, I've got scallop this neck.
Scallop?
Scallop it.
Yeah.
It's a marlin.
Yeah. I like marlin, scallop, yeah.
So it's going to be
I see.
scalloped.
Got the humour eventually.
That's for Dean.
Oh, Dean, the pickle
Leek,
maker.
yeah.
Is he a bit of a Yingui Blackmore? kind of
Yes,
guy?
yes, that's right. He likes wangy mounts, Dean.
He was the one who posted up about his twisted neck, didn't he?
Pardon?
He posted up about a twisted neck. That was his question.
No, that was Josh somebody.
No, Dean as well.
All right.
Or I think he said, oh, that's good because I've got a twisted neck and that's helped.
Yeah.
Anyway, listen, so it's goodbye for this one.
Okay. Well, I'm very busy today, so I haven't even got time to swear at you.
Yeah, that's fine. Let's, don't even move.